In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get a Telegram link manually. Begin by launching the Telegram app on your device. Find and open the group or channel for which you want to create an invite link. Tap on the name of your group or channel at the top of the screen. This will open the group channel info page. Look for the edit button, usually represented by a pencil icon located at the top right corner of the screen, and click on the edit button to enter the editing mode for group channel settings. Inside the editing mode, locate the group type and channel type option. Change the group or channel to public. After making the group public, navigate to the URL section that appears, typically shown as t.me/your group name or your channel. Type in a unique name for your group channel that hasn't already been used by others, and the name will become part of your custom link. Once you've entered a unique name, click on the check mark or save button at the top right corner to save your changes. Your invite link will now be generated based on the unique name you've provided. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.